Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you an easy way to earn $1 to $5 over and over again answering questions. And you're going to get other methods as well to earn even more money. So watch all the way so you can see every single bit of how you can earn some easy PayPal money. And this is going to be for a lot of people because you just need to have access to PayPal, guys. Okay, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out this awesome YouTube banner I have up here, because there's this link on the right that is about making big money here, guys. Okay, so if you click this link, you can find out what I do to make money online. That creates you a passive online income, guys, and it's going to make you a lot more money than what I'm going to show you in this video today. Okay, so just FYI. Alright, so let's get into this. The first one I'm going to show you is called Survey Time. Guys, I haven't even seen this before, okay? And this site actually pays you a whole dollar for every single survey that you do. And it's a very simple site, guys, okay? Look, that's all it's to on the front page. You just got to sign up with either Facebook, Google account, or Twitter, or you can enter your own email, okay? And then you just press Start Now. Now, once you start now, it's going to ask you about 30 questions. And this is because that is your profile that you're setting up so that they can offer you the right surveys, okay? And you need to answer every one of those questions correctly, or else you're not going to get any surveys, okay? And they also know that if you're doing it just like, just answering blindly, you can't do that either, because it's going to catch you. The system's going to catch you. It's going to kick you out. So don't do that, okay? So now I'm just going to go through some FAQs with you for Survey Time. So how does it work? After signing up to Survey Time, you will answer a few questions to help us create your profile. And so this is the 30 questions that I was telling you about. And we'll offer you surveys that fit your interests. Then you start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. So you're not going to get paid under that, okay? Where can I redeem my $1 reward? There are different gift cards available for each country. For example, the US has options of Amazon, PayPal, Target, and Decathlon. After choosing your reward, you'll need to follow the instructions. We'll send you in a confirmation email. So everything will be communicated to you on email. Okay, how and when will I get notified of new surveys? There are a number of ways in which you can be notified, which is text, email, or web notifications, or you can check the Survey Time website. Now, how long does the surveys take? They only take 10 to 15 minutes, guys, okay? And you're going to get $1 for every time you complete one of these. And so a lot of other survey sites, guys, don't pay you a whole dollar for this kind of survey length. And then they have rare occasion when it's longer. Okay, so you could be sure that it's going to be short though, okay? And who can use it? It's going to be worldwide. So basically, as long as, the options for payout, it's okay for you to use, then you should use this site. And sometimes you will not see any surveys because you just don't fit it, right? But you want to make sure that you don't miss out anything. So make sure you have all the notifications turned on. Okay, of course you gotta verify your email, your phone number, and then how many rewards can I get is unlimited. Okay, so you can complete as many surveys as you can, and you will receive your rewards via email, like I was saying earlier. When will I get my reward? You will immediately. So there's no wait for you to get your money, so you're going to get it right away as soon as you can cash out. Okay, and it doesn't say if there's any minimums payout, so it could be good. So the next one I'm going to show you here is Survey Junkie, and they are a very popular survey site that pays between $1 to $3. Okay, so here you just take surveys, which is just answering simple questions, guys. Earn rewards, complete surveys, and earn virtual points, and then you get paid. Okay, so you could redeem those for either PayPal or some kind of e-gift card. Survey Junkie is fun, entertaining, informational. Oh, those are just testimonials. So here are some of the rewards, as you can see. So I just want to go to Survey Junkie's review site on Trustpilot. They are a very, very well-received survey site here. As you can see, almost 5 stars with over 13,000 reviews. So they've been around for a long time, guys, and they've been paying, or else they wouldn't have such a 68% in excellent there, okay? So with these survey sites, you know, it's really best to kind of go with a bunch of them. So that's why I have one more to show you guys. And this is Inbox Dollars. And you already get $5 just to sign up, guys, okay? So this one has a bunch of different ways for you to earn. So you could watch TV and take surveys, and then also do shopping or do cash offers. So there are several ways. Oh, and there's one more way too below that I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, it's pretty funny. So you can earn cash for your everyday online activities. So how does it work for this one? So brands will pay them for consumer input, like that's the survey part, guys, okay? So, and then Inbox Dollars gets people like you to sign up so that you can answer these paid surveys from these brands that want to know about what you think about their products, and then you're going to earn some real cash and not points, okay? That's why it's called Inbox Dollars. Okay, so this is how you can earn. There's several ways, those 6 ways, guys, okay? So you can take paid online surveys. So for here, you could earn up to $5 for your surveys, okay? But they do start at 50 cents. That's the only thing. But these ones take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. So, I mean, that's not too bad. There are some online surveys that pay 10, 20, or even more if you match the demographic profile that they're looking for. Taking surveys for money is a fun and popular way to earn. Who doesn't want to earn survey money for their opinions? Okay, another way to earn on here is watching videos. So this is a very easy way that you can actually just open them up and let it run in the background while you take surveys, okay? So you could do these at the same time and earn a lot more. And then here you could play games to get rewarded. And so there's a bunch of different games that you can do on there. And then there's cash back for online shopping. So if you shop through their site, you could get some percentage back to this account, which then you can cash out. So this is the other one that I was going to show you. So, okay, so there's also coupon cash rewards that you can access to save more money for yourself. But this is the one I was going to tell you about, that you get paid to read emails, guys, okay? I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that to make money online, guys. You can read emails and make money. So all you have to do here is basically you just got to open these emails and click a confirmation number that you've read it, and that's it. And of course, those emails are going to be ads, but you do not have to take on any of the offers that you see. It's up to you if you want to or not. But you're going to get paid to read the email regardless if you buy anything, okay? So that's their Inbox Dollars is kind of what this really is. And then they have also really good reviews on this site as well. So now I just want to go through their FAQs for a little bit. See, I want to show you how to get paid. So you can do the online surveys as I was telling you, and of course all the other little tasks. But I want to show you how you can earn with this reading emails. Can I really earn money for reading emails from Inbox Dollars? Absolutely. Simply click the confirmation link in the paid email that Inbox Dollars delivers to your inbox. After clicking the confirmation link, your account will be credited instantly and you'll be taken to our advertiser's website. So this is just to entice you to go visit somebody's site, which you don't have to take any action when you get to that site, and you can still earn just because you click the confirmation link inside that paid email. Let's see, how many emails will you get? You'll get about 3 per day, okay? So you gotta make sure you open those emails and click that confirmation link, or else you're not gonna get any more emails, it seems like. So you gotta remain active, okay? So that's how you earn with Inbox Dollars. Or, I mean, there's 5 other ways besides the paid emails, as you saw. Okay, so these were the 3 sites I was going to show you today. So Survey Time, you get to it by going to surveytime.io. Survey Junkie is surveyjunkie.com. And then Inbox Dollars is at inboxdollars.com. But as you can see, these 3 sites, you must use them all to make some decent money, okay? To be honest, you're not going to be obviously making tons of money with these types of sites because these are just surveys and you're just making some quick cash, guys, okay? So if you guys want to earn some real money though, you really got to check out workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and also we'll link it up here in the corner. You could just click on the little circle with the eye icon, or you see the link come across. But anyway, what this program is going to teach you how to make some real money online, guys. It's going to be using a business model that allows you to earn any time of the day, making you passive online income. And what you need though to earn like that is some online skills, guys. Okay, doing these little survey sites is not going to make you a lot of money at all. And the best way to make a lot of money that you can really depend on and use for your family is by learning some online skills and building yourself an online business that takes advantage of all the people on the internet, guys. Okay, so check it out, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and I will see you on the other side, guys. Okay, so I hope you liked this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, because I come out with videos every single week, but I don't know when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.